like a really, really inefficient way of doing it.
Okay, so right now we are doing number 25. Okay, what does the problem say?
Find the derivative in second derivative.
Uh-oh.
Y squared equals x squared plus 2x.
Okay, what was it again?
Y squared equals x squared plus 2x.
Y squared equals x squared plus 2x? Okay. This was, of the examples I did yesterday, this was probably a step up for some of you, understanding to the second derivative what we have to do. So that's a good example of that. All right, so we're going to take the derivative of both sides. I really should put that in front. I know that. That's silly. I was just trying to save some room. Okay, so what's the derivative of y squared? I'll try to talk really low.
2y dy.
Because you said my voice was high.
No, I thought it sounded like...
Alright, what about x squared plus 2x? 2x plus 2. Let's solve for dy dx. And we get 2x plus 2 over 2y. You sure. Can you reduce everything by 2? I shouldn't have boxed that. Alright, yes you can. If you did reduce everything by 2, you'd get x plus 1 over y. I will double box that, because a double box is definitely...
Like a double board.
It's like more boxes would mean that it's a better answer.
Exactly, yeah.
Alright, so how do we do the second derivative? We are going to do the same thing. We're going to use quotient rule with this. Just like if we were doing multiple derivatives, we keep going. But whenever I see a dy dx, at the end what I'm going to be able to do is sub in this expression, because that's what dy dx equals. Okay? So we now have an expression for dy dx, so when I do the double derivative, I'm going to be able to sub that in. Alright, so for d squared y dx squared, let's use quotient rule with this. Technically you could use, make this y to the negative 1 power and do product rule as well. You want to?
Yeah, let's do that. I like doing that.
No. How about I'll do it quotient rule way, you do the other way.
You told us to do quotient rule as the last. Can I use the guess and check strategy?
I don't think that works here.
You said to do it as just last resort.
Danny, you're such a rule follower.
Sweet.
Alright.
That's why I'm going to use it. I'm going to use the check. Guess and check.
Don't get mad, Danny.
I'll guess and then I'll check what you know.
Hey, Danny, will you on the backboard do the... Actually, on the front board, would you... For,
okay.
you know, come on. You always like writing on the board. Okay, I'm going to do quotient rule. Danny's going to do product rule on the board. So...
Why would you get a marker over there?
Low...
Oh, hey.
Okay, guys, come on, let's focus. I want to get this done in 2 minutes.
I'm doing...
No, you're just quietly doing this while I do this. This one. You're going to write x plus 1 times y to the negative first. Okay, so here we go. Quotient rule. Low d high. So I do y times, what's the derivative of the high? 1. Minus
Plus the negative. That's a double minus.
low d high. No, I did that already. High d low. So x plus 1, what's the derivative of y? dy dx. So in a second I'm going to plug that in. Square the bottom and away we go. I actually think that there's gonna be some benefit to him doing it that way, cause it's gonna be more simplified than this one, and so, just saying. Alright, so, what can I replace this dy dx with? Yep. So I write this as 1 minus x plus 1, and in place of dy dx, I am going to write x plus 1 over y squared. Yesterday I also did quotient rule when I did the example. Okay, when you're dividing by y squared, it's the same as multiplying by 1 over y squared. So I'm going to simplify this. This then is, I'll write out everything, because okay, so this is x plus 1 squared over y. And then simplify 1 over y squared times y, I'm just distributing this, is what? Is 1 over y minus x plus 1 squared over y cubed.
Can you triple box this one?
No, but I'll do another one of my favorite things.
Oh, box it and then highlight it. Yeah, you better put it on YouTube.
Are you making fun of me? So far, I don't, like,
Help you.
Pretty legitimate highlighting job.
Yeah, but you still need to
I
triple
passed
box.
coloring.
Yeah, is that one of your calculus classes you had to take, college?
Coloring.
Part of an